Hello guys, it's a bit different today. Me and my two dogs. Yeah, show me love. Anyways, my thoughts on Nate Diaz Jake Paul fight. Yeah, not a bad fight. Not a bad fight at all. Not a bad fight at all. First two halves, Jake Paul, it was more dominant first half. Second half, they took over. Diaz has got some boxing skills. He's durable. He's got a good chin. He got knocked down in the fifth round. It looked steady. It looked like he may get stopped in the fifth round, but it came through and withstood the storm. He had a bruise. I think it was right eyes that was, getting swollen. So, no, not a bad fight. And Jake Paul train moves on. Will Nick Diaz take Jake Paul in an MMA fight? We'll see if the money's right. Of course, why not? A fight should win in his sport, of course. He's an MMA fighter by trade, not a boxer. But congrats to Jake Paul for another victory, and we'll see where he goes next. We'll try to get a fight with KSI. The winner of the KSI coming through, I think that's the next option. Or if not, get a fight with Conor McGregor for one mighty payday. And yeah, that's my thoughts. Also, the thoughts regarding the Dillian Whyte, the Joshua rematch being cancelled due to failed drug test. And also, I watched David Haye interview. Guys, stop! Guys, stop! Oh, my dog's been nuisance. Haye knowing, Chisora hinting or telling him that White's fight a drug test. What would Chisora know? That Chisora failed a drug test. I'm confused. Anyways, we'll see what happens in this week, next 2 weeks. Into this fight next week. This fight's on Saturday. We'll see what Joshua fights next, who the opponent will be. I guess all be confirmed by Wednesday. Anyways, come on, subscribe, guys. Take care. Adios, amigos.